Hey folks, welcome to another episode of JNB Tuning where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. Well, today guys, I want to tag you guys along, and again as usual, as I'm putting out more and more of these vlogs and just to show you guys stuff that I'm doing in the garage, because if I do these vlogs, I'll be able to actually do quite a bit of stuff in the process, so I'll be pretty much just tagging you along and working on cars and kind of bounce back and forth on whatever needs to be done here in the garage. So anyways guys, today I have the Asuna Sunfire lifted here, and I'm actually going to look underneath here even more and check to see what I can actually scrape out as part of the restoration of this beautiful car. I've pretty much have a little bit of rust here and there, but nothing major, as you guys can see. I have sprayed, areas that are prone to rusting, and try to protect it even more in the process. So anything that I could actually scrape up and repaint, that's kind of what I'm wanting to do in the process here, guys. Underneath here, as I've noticed, as I've mentioned to you guys, I have a bit of leakage going on underneath here, so it's all covered up, protecting the drippage there in the process. But yeah, that's going to be stuff that I'll be doing here, guys. There's a bit of rust on my pinch weld there. Last time I've shown you guys how the pinch weld is pretty much been abused in the process, so I've actually pounded it back and straightened it up, much like on this other side here. So it's all straightened out now, just sprayed with some protectants here, guys. Yeah, from day one I have the undercoating done on this car, and a lot of times people say undercoating doesn't work, but yet it did work. As you can see, guys, it protected the undercarriage of this car, so it's not so bad in the process, even though I had driven it a couple times in the winter time, during the winter time. So anyways guys, we'll basically work around here in the garage, and just again, there's a few little things here that I can do in the process. So anyways guys, we'll stay tuned. Well guys, time to paint the springs, the lowering springs. What we're gonna do here, guys, is that I have just this generic paint here. It's basically, it's out of it's called the farm engine paint. This should do. This is an off blue compared to what I have originally on the paint, but you know what guys, you can't see the difference. I mean, it's not like you're gonna be looking underneath the Golf R every time to see what the color is on the springs. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna try and see if we can, as I'm all set up there, I'm gonna paint it up, and hopefully we can install the lowering springs in the near future here. Well, to you guys who are just joining me in the channel and it's first time being in the channel, if you guys haven't met this car before, basically it is technically my first car ever, and it was actually replacement of my first car, which is I had a Toyota Tercel early in the 1992 time frame, and I got into an accident which had it wasn't my fault at all. I wasn't at fault. So in within that 1 year of driving, I got that accident, and basically the replacement wise, I decided to go with the Asuna Sunfire. So this is pretty much a car that I've owned since day one. I'm the original owner in this process, I decided to keep the car and restored it about 3-4 years ago, as I mentioned in the channel, and now it's back up here. We have replaced the exhaust system just recently because it's basically was rusted away.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away.
Since I have gotten the lift up here in the garage, I have a chance to actually look into the car a little bit more and being able to actually see how it is underneath. And so far, I applied some of our rust protections here, but overall, there's very minimal rust. There is no, through and through type of rust yet, which is fairly lucky to say. For now, I'm just basically applying a fluid film and basically, protect whatever is rusting right now to, minimize the corrosion in the process. So, I'm so, stoked in the sense that this car is in really awesome condition. I've only, gotten about 118,000 kilometers on this car now, and 100,000 is just, that's still a baby, man, that's for sure. So I'm definitely will be keeping this car. I have many offers. I've been being contacted by a lot of people and inquiring if I'm gonna sell this car. I think given that this is my car and it has been historically been with me for so long, there's no real point of me selling this car at this point in time, and it's possibly, excuse the car there, that stupid Corvette has been driving back and forth. Look, it's been driving back and forth the neighborhood, and it's just revving the engine every time pass by. Sorry, the small commotion there, but anyways, this is basically the underneath of the Asuna Sunfire at this point, and we'll continue to try to restore the car as much as we can, and enjoy it in that sense, taking it out for car shows and all. So I'll show you guys one pretty cool thing that I've done here. I actually did some polishing on this cat here, lower cat, and it actually turned out pretty good. I didn't do the before and after shot again in the process as I always do, but it's not bad. It actually almost cleaned up itself there, and hopefully if I can buff it a little bit more. I've been using this chemical here that is supposed to be for metal, and I threw in bunch of layers of that in there and then buffed it up, and it looks like it did clean itself up pretty good. So it's looking a lot better. I mean, it kind of matches my brand new. Wanted to match a little bit there, and a little cleaner in the process, but it does match. So see from this direction here, a little cleaner, given that I got a brand new cat back there. So I figured clean that up a little bit. Well guys, it's almost done here. Well, here we go again. This guy here, loving his car so much, driving back and forth the neighborhood. Sorry ladies and gentlemen, I did the whole wash on the Golf R here, full detailing, in and out, and I didn't do any videos for you guys. My apologies. I kept this all to myself in the process without even sharing. And the Golf R here is nice and clean again. All the bugs in the front is all gone. And yeah, it took me a few hours here, but I managed to clean everything up. All the crevices, wipe everything. Everything is nice and clean. All the jams and everything is all cleaned up. Car is still in good shape. The car is already going to be 4-year-old soon. And yeah, I'm super stoked on how well the paint held up on me in the process here, guys. Sorry, it's a little dark here, but you can see how well the car is at this point. Everything is washed and wiped. All the crevices, all the jams and everything, as you guys can see. So neat. So neat. This car is such a brand new car still. I'm just hitting the 15,000 kilometer right now. It's about to roll into the 15,000 kilometer mark. And yeah, love this car. I truly love this car. It's definitely a keeper, guys. This is going to remain as one of my vehicles forever. And yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, just finished cleaning everything up and just closing all the doors here so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing, what I've done paint wise on this baby. It's spick and span. So awesome. So awesome, guys. Let me close the hood as well. I do have a few bugs remaining there, or a splat on the dash, or what do you call this, on the bonnet here. But I'll definitely get a paint correction at some point. Not too bad, but there are some smudge of the bugs, the mosquito being squashed on the front there. But anyways, guys, my apologies again for not doing any videos here for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted I figured I'll share you guys what I've been doing here in the past hour. So yeah, anyways, guys, stay tuned.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you called my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away.